3 summer shaving mistakes and how to fix them. First, you want to exfoliate before shaving with Botanical C Body Polish. It's a good idea to exfoliate before shaving to help remove dirt and dead skin cells from the surface of the skin and to help you achieve a closer and cleaner, smoother shave. Make sure you're using a razor that's new and sharp and shave with Botanical Bee Cleansing Oil. You just need a pump or two, apply, rinse, and shave. That's it. It'll leave you with soft skin, and I've noticed such a big difference since trying this out. It really helps to get a smoother and more comfortable shave. After shaving, moisturize with Botanical C Body Oil or one of my favorite summer products, Gardenia Tea Antioxidant Body Serum. Apply a pump or two post-shave to damp skin, massage in, and allow to air dry for best results. That's it. Smooth, soft, and hydrated skin.